So I'm very sure some of you have seen the big news about UOB One account, because effectively from 1st May 2024, the effective interest rate is going to drop, and this time it's going to drop quite big, from 5% effectively to now 4%. So let's go through some of these details that you may have missed. And you can see that other than the difference in the interest rate, the quantum has also changed, because previously it was on the first $100,000 of cash savings within the UOB One account, but they have increased it to the first $150,000 to get that additional interest. And some of you may be really sad on why this is happening. I guess when the macroeconomic trends that the interest rate is going to go down or the Fed is going to pause the rate hike, this thing is going to happen sooner or later. It's not a if, but when. Also, if you do not want to miss the latest updates, come and join us at over 14,000 members at the Honey Money SG Telegram group for such news. But at least UOB has given us some time to go through these changes and see where we can put our money. And in fact, if you do not know of the different calculation, previously it was 100k at 5%. Now, if you do the effective interest tier, the first 150,000 is at 4%. So you get a higher quantum, but you get a lower effective interest of 4%. And nowadays, if you look around, 4% is not that competitive, right? Even the recent T-bills is at 3.8% per annum. If we look at 5 Cash Plus Guaranteed, it's at 3.9% per annum for 3 months. So really, if you look at the additional interest given by UOB One, it is not that uncomparable anymore, considering that you still have to fulfill the salary credit plus the credit card spending criteria of $500 on selected UOB cards. So if you are someone who don't want to be tied down by UOB card spending especially, and you want to look at alternatives, I think this may be the time for your exit strategy. And in fact, if you want to look at other alternative high interest savings account, then maybe you can look at OCBC 360, because the salary plus save plus spend criteria will net you 4.65%. Or you can look at Standard Chartered Bonus Saver, which is giving you an effective 4.13% per annum when you fulfill the salary, spend plus bill payment category. But let me put it out there that all these accounts may follow suit very soon, because UOB One, being the market leader, has already set the trend that they are going to decrease their interest rates and in fact nerf it. So I guess other people, when they see UOB One not giving as good, they may want to start reducing their interest rate as well. Also, if you want a more liquid option, actually you can look at money market funds like Fullerton SGB Cash Fund. And today's video got no sponsor, but you all know where to buy them, right? Woohoo, Tiger, Weibo, all these platforms also have money market fund, offering you around 3.7, 3.8% per annum. And even if you look at Interactive Brokers, they are offering like 4.83% on the USD cash. Okay, this is not money market fund. You just put in USD cash, you get 4.83% per annum. Of course, there's some conditions attached. And you can check out the link here, it will show you. And maybe one thing about the quarterly savings promotion that some of you may know is that previously, we are talking about 100,000 of additional savings, right? The earmark promotion. Now that I see, maybe they will want to increase the fresh funds criteria to $150,000. So yes, times are going to be more difficult, but I guess the era of high interest rates may start to end soon. But anyway, to close this video, my thinking is that all these things, terms and conditions and interest rate, will keep changing one, so you have to really adapt. And if you want to look at a previous video where I talk about the best high interest savings account, then you can check out this video right here.